Thanks for coming. Come on.
So what can I help you with tonight?
My wife went missing. She went shopping yesterday, but she hasn't come back.
So your wife went missing? About how tall is she?
I don't know, 5'2", 5'8", somewhere around there.
Okay, about 5'2", 5'8". What's her weight?
I don't know, not too slim, not too fat, somewhere around there.
Okay, so she probably needs to go on a diet. What's her eye color?
I never really noticed.
Okay, what's the color of her hair?
I don't know. It changes a couple times every year. Dark brown, blonde. Your guess is as good as mine.
What was she wearing when you last saw her?
A skirt, blue dress, I don't know.
Okay, and last question, what was she driving?
My truck.
What kind of truck was it?
Brand new 2018 Ford F-150 Triton V8 King Ranch matte black 4x4 with EcoBoost 5.0 liter engine, special ordered with manual transmission. Custom black bed liner with custom leather seats with Bubba floor mat. Trailering package with gold hitch, DVD with navigations, 21 channel CB radio, 6 cup holders and 4 power outlets. Added special alloy wheels with off-road Michelins. Is my truck okay?
If I were you, I would take your wife to the Victory Baptist Church Valentine's Banquet.